Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about resonance. What is resonance? When the applied frequency is equals to natural frequency of the LCR circuit, then the current in the circuit is maximum. That is called what? Electrical resonance. So, what is the condition for electrical resonance? We consider that XL is equals to XC. From that, we got the value of omega naught is equals to 1 by root of LC. So, at this frequency the current in the circuit is maximum. That current is called measured by I naught or IM. If you plot a graph for frequency and maximum current, let us take angle of frequency on x axis and the current flowing through circuit in y axis. As you know very well, the frequency increases, overall the current in the circuit go on increases. So, we got a curve like this. Okay. So, at particular frequency the current in the circuit is maximum. The maximum current is what? I naught. That frequency we call as what? Resonant frequency omega naught. There are some other frequencies out there. If you see that at these frequencies, both sides, let us assume that omega 1 and omega 2. If you measure the current in the circuit, that is you are getting as I naught by root 2. So, that frequencies are called half power frequencies. So, what is half power frequency? At which frequency the current in the circuit is 1 by root 2 times of its maximum value, that frequency is called half power frequencies. So, here omega 1 and omega 2 are what? Half power frequencies. So, what is the concept here? Half power frequency. What is half power frequency? The frequencies or the frequency at which current in the circuit, the current in the circuit is 1 by root 2 times of its 1 by root 2 times of its maximum value. Those frequencies are called what ma? Half power frequencies. So, here omega 1 and omega 2 are the half power frequencies. What is omega 1? We can write here omega 1 equals to omega naught, means there is some bandwidth here, right? So, what is then bandwidth can be written as omega 1 is equals to omega naught minus delta omega, and omega 2 is equals to omega naught plus delta omega. Then from this, what is the width of this band? This total width, right? So, bandwidth is equals to what ma? Omega 1 minus omega 2. What is omega 1 here? Omega naught minus delta omega, right? Sorry, bandwidth means we consider omega 2 minus omega 1, omega naught plus delta omega minus omega naught, minus of minus plus. What do you get? 2 delta omega. So, this is the bandwidth of this frequencies that lies on either side of resonant frequency. So, here we learn the concept. What that concept? Half power frequency. What is half power frequency? If you draw a graph against frequency and current, we got at particular frequency the current circuit is maximum, that frequency is called resonant frequency, that is represented by omega naught. On either sides at particular value omega 1 and omega 2 are equal, means those are called half power frequencies. At these frequencies the current in the circuit is what? 1 by root 2 times of its maximum value. Okay. Now, we are going to know why we are drawing this graph is because to know the sharpness of resonance, how much sharply it can be produce maximum current, that has been explained by one quantity called quality factor. What is quality factor? It, in short, it considers Q factor. So, definition is there. Before that, what it will do? Let us see that. So, the sharpness of resonance the sharpness of resonance is measured by the sharpness of measurements is measured by Q factor of the circuit. Q factor nothing but quality factor of the circuit. So, let us know what is Q factor. It is defined as a very simple formula, that ratio of resonant frequency to bandwidth. Ratio of resonant frequency to bandwidth. What is resonant frequency? As we know very well, omega naught. Here we calculated the bandwidth. What is bandwidth is 2 delta omega. We have already expression for this one. What is that one? 1 by root of LC. But we don't know what is the value of this one. So now we are going to calculate the bandwidth of the circuit. Okay. So how to calculate bandwidth? What are the points we learned? The same points we are going to utilize for quality factor. So quality factor we are deriving means indirectly we are deriving expression for what? Bandwidth of the circuit, right? Yes. How to calculate the expression for bandwidth? Because we already know the formula for quality factor. What is that? It is defined as the ratio of resonant frequency to bandwidth. Okay. Let us derive a small expression for bandwidth. What is the point we learned? At half power frequencies, what is the current? Current in the circuit is how much? I naught by root 2. Is it right? Let us assume one half power frequency. General current in the circuit is what? At any instant the current in the circuit. At any instant, already we derived the expression, right? What is that? I is equals to V by Z root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Okay. If you rewrite this formulas again, I is equals to what? V by root of R square. What is XL? Omega L minus 1 by omega C whole square. We already derived the expression for half power frequency. Omega 1 is equals to what? Omega naught plus delta omega, or at omega 2, right? Omega 2 we considered, right? Omega 2 is equals to omega naught plus delta omega. Now let us take that omega naught, right? At half power frequency, omega 2 is equals to what is the current? I is equals to I naught by root 2. Substitute the same here. I naught by root 2 is equals to V can written as what? I naught by I naught into R by under root of R square plus omega 2 into L minus 1 by omega 2 into C whole square. I naught cancel. Send R here. Root 2 R is equals to cross multiply R square plus omega 2 L minus 1 by omega 2 C whole square under root. What should do? We should do squaring on both sides. If you square on both sides, root 2 whole square is 2, R square equals to square and root get cancel. What is the remaining? R square plus omega 2L minus 1 by omega T C whole square. R square send here, 2 R square minus R square is equals to omega 2 into L minus 1 by omega 2 C whole square. Square get cancelled. What is the remaining now? R equals to what is omega 2? Half power frequency, right? What is omega 2 ma? Omega 2 is equals to omega naught plus delta omega. Substitute the same value here. Omega naught plus delta omega into L minus 1 by omega naught plus delta omega into c. Take omega naught common. If you take omega naught common, what do you get? 1 plus delta omega by omega naught into L minus, here also omega naught common, 1 plus delta omega by omega naught into c. Okay. See here, the next step can be written as what? R is equals to omega naught L into 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus 1 by omega naught into c. I am multiplying and dividing with omega naught. Here omega naught square get cancelled. What do you get? 1 plus delta omega by omega naught. What is resonant frequency here? Omega naught equals to 1 by root of LC. So here what I can write here? R is equals to omega naught L into 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus omega naught by 1 by LC into C. Send this upwards. What did you get? 1 plus delta omega by omega naught whole inverse. Here what are things get cancelled ma? C cancel, 1 by L comes omega naught L. So R is equals to omega naught L into 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus omega naught L into. So this is the what is the formula here? 1 plus x whole power minus L is equals to 1 minus nx. So binomial expansion limiting to only one value, 1 minus delta omega by omega naught. So what is the common here? In both equations omega naught L is common, 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus into 1 minus 1 minus of minus plus delta omega by omega naught plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So delta omega by omega naught plus delta omega by omega naught, what do you get? Omega naught L into 2 delta omega by omega naught. Omega naught cancel. What we want actually? Bandwidth. 2 delta omega is equals to R by L. So finally we got, right, bandwidth. Therefore Q factor Q is equals to omega naught by 2 delta omega. What is omega naught? 1 by root LC by 2 delta omega is what? R by L. So it becomes as what? 1 by R into L by root LC. L by root L can be as root L. So 1 by R into root of L by C. So these are the different formulas for quality factor. Based on the question, we can utilize which formula we can easily. Okay. So 1 by R into root of L by C. You know that resonance frequency is measured in hertz, radians per second, delta omega also radian per second. So quality factor has no units. It gives only the sharpness of resonance in the circuit. So what is the definition? It is defined as the ratio of bandwidth to what? Bandwidth to, sorry, resonance frequency to bandwidth. Clear? So just I will repeat once. We discussed one concept that when you draw a graph against frequency and current, at resonant frequency the current circuit is maximum, at off-pole frequencies the current is 1 by root 2 of times of its maximum current. We have written the formulas for omega 1 and omega 2. Here we are discussing what the sharpness of resonance that factor has been measured by a quantity called Q factor or quality factor. So what is Q factor? Resonant frequency to bandwidth. What is resonant frequency? Omega naught. What is bandwidth? 2 delta omega. As we know very well omega naught, but we don't know delta omega, so we are going to calculate the expression for bandwidth indirectly, expression for quality factor. What is the condition we use? Same condition. What is that? At off-pole frequencies the current is what? I naught by root 2. At any instant what is the current? I equals to V by root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Rewriting the XL as omega L and XC as 1 by omega C. As we know very well that at off-pole frequencies omega 2 or omega 1, I equals to I naught by root 2. So we have substituted I is equals to I naught by root 2, V is equals to I R, nothing but I naught into R. cross multiply. Root 2 into r is equals to root of r square plus omega 2l minus 1 by omega 2 c whole square. Substituting the value of r2. Sorry, okay, let us write later. Squaring on both sides. 2r square equals to r square plus omega 2l minus 1 by omega 2c whole square. What is omega 2 value? Omega naught plus delta omega into l minus 1 by omega naught plus delta omega into c. I have taken omega naught in both cases common. So here the step is very important, that r is equals to omega naught into l into 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus omega naught by, I just multiply and divide with omega naught on both sides. Omega naught by omega naught square c into 1 plus delta omega by omega naught. What is omega naught? 1 by root LC. Substitute the value, c cancel. This I send it to numerator, becomes 1 minus 1, right? There is binomial extraction 1 plus x whole power n as 1 minus n x. We are limiting the value to only two values, that is omega naught L into 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus omega naught L into 1 minus delta omega naught by omega naught. What is common? The omega naught L. If you take common, 1 get cancel, and delta omega by omega naught adds up. When you add these two, we got 2 delta omega by omega naught into omega naught L, omega naught cancel. Finally, we want bandwidth, that is du delta omega is equals to r by L. We got the expression for quality factor as what? Q is equals to 1 by r into root of L by C. And one more point I am going to add here, that is very important for 1 mark question, that is wattless current. Wattless current, why we are saying such? Because have you observed that in resistive circuit phase difference is pi by 2, in capacitive circuit phase difference is, in resistive circuit phase difference is 0, in capacitive and inductive circuits phase difference is pi by 2. As we know well that P, average power, is equals to Vrms Irms into cos phi. In resistor circuit, power is maximum, whereas in capacitor and inductor circuit, power is equals to what? 0. Means to flow current in resistive inductive circuit or capacitive circuit, the power consumption is what? 0. So that is called what? Wattless current. The simple statement or the definition is only one line. The current through pure L and C circuit, means either inductive circuit or capacitive circuit, is called wattless current, because the power consumed by either of these circuit is 0. So that's why the current flowing through those circuits is called what? Wattless current. So this is about LCR circuit and of power frequencies. We have just two concepts for rewinding, that is LC oscillation and transform. So with these two concepts, the next class I am going to discuss, and we are going to finish the chapter by the next class. So in this chapter we get 5 mark question 1 important, 3 marks are resonant frequency and quality factor. Don't neglect this chapter is very easy. Is it clear, students? Right, thank you.